Hello students, today the new class. Last time I explained you about the mean, median, mode with some examples. Now today we'll go from exercises questions, okay. So that is, you have to do some two questions for each exercise, and after that you have to practice at home. Easily you can come up, okay. So now today exercise 14.1 we'll do the question number, say question number, we'll do which one? Say for example question number 5, question 5, okay. So now in question number 5 the question is like this. In a retail market, the fruit seller vendor were selling the mangoes kept in a packing boxes. These boxes contain varying the number of mangoes. Following distribution of the mangoes according to the box. Find the mean of the mangoes kept in packing box. Which method finding the mean choose? You can choose any method. So I'll show you of step deviation methods, or direct method also you can able to do. Okay, which one will do? This one. Now look at it. Number of mangoes. Number of mangoes. That's what we call class intervals. Okay. This class intervals. Then it is mid value you have to find. Mid value. That is xi. Okay. Then you have to find deviations. We go for self deviation method. So deviation is ui. You already know. Xi minus a by h, okay. Then after that frequency AFI, that is number of boxes, clear. There is Fi denoted by, then that one is product, and product is AFI into Xi, clear. Now number of mangoes is 50 to 52, then 53 to 55, then 56 to 58, then 59 to 61, 62 to 64. All are included. That is called inclusive one, because it is not exclusive, not continuous one. I mean, we not require that much. If you want, you can do it. A number of boxes, you can make the box first like this, not to overlap one data over the other one. Make separate with a line, horizontal line is we call forming a table. Then you write the number of first box is 15, then 110, 135, 115 and 25, okay. So now you come here, we can do like first mid value 50 plus 52 by 2. How much it is? 2. 102 by 2, 51. Then next one is 53 plus 55 by 2, 8. 108 by 2 is 54. What is the difference? 3. What is the difference? 3. So if you add 52, 53, 54, you add 3. So add 3 means 57, 60, and it is how much? 63. We got the mid value. Now we have to choose A first. So if the middle value is A, what I told you in step deviation, we follow here step deviation method, okay. Step deviation. Easy to, because number is large. If we multiply these two, it will take time. So you come to step deviation method. So it will be 0, minus 1, minus 2, 1, 2. So if we multiply here, you get minus 30. There is minus 110. Then 0, 115 is 50. Now if I add this one, plus how much? 5, 165. If I add this one, minus 140. If I add this one, actually it will come division, subtractions, because different signs subtract. If subtract is 5, 25, you will get 25, okay. Then sum of the frequency, add the frequencies, how much? Sigma A5. How much it will be? 5, 5, 10, 15, 20. 2 in hand, okay. 3, 4, 3, 7, 8 and 1, 9. And it is 390. Okay. Check it once. 390. Question is what? Yes, they're not mentioned total boxes. So we'll do it once more again. 5, 5, 10, 15, 22 in hand. 3, 4, 3, 7, 8 and 2, 10. Sorry. So again 22, 3, 4, 3, 7, 3, 4, 3, 7, 8, 9. How much? 22, 3, 4, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. How 9, 10 comes up? So 245, 1560, 360, 75, and 400 comes up. Okay, it's come 400. So 2 and 4, 5, 3, 8, 9, 10, 1 in hand, and it is 400. Now we come to the formula of mean. Mean x bar, it will be how much? A plus sigma A phi ui, it should be ui, okay? Sigma A phi ui, sorry, ui. So a ui by sigma A phi into h. What is A? 57 plus sigma A phi u phi 25 by sigma A phi 400. And what is h? What is the width of class interval here? How much difference? 3, no? So I multiply 3. So it will be how much? 57 plus, you can cancel it also. So 5, 5, 5 is a 40, 0, then 5, 1, 5 1 is a 5, 5, 16. So we'll be getting 3 by 16. So if you can complete it here, x bar equal to 57 plus, how much it will be? 3 by 16, divide it in the rough, 3, 0, 0.0, 16 1 is 16, how much? 14, 0, how much is possible? 16 6 are 96, 16 7s are 112, say 16 into 7, 16 8s are how much? 128. So 16 9s are 144, not possible. So 16 8s are 128. This will be 12, 120. So 16 7. So we can say 19, 0.19. So it is 57.19 approximately. This is the way we can find the mean. Understood? Step deviation method. So pay for this method is better. Okay? So I'll go for another questions for that. There is some frequencies missing, you have to find the missing frequency questions. Clear? Now, look at these questions. The following distribution shows the daily pocket money allowance in exercise 4. The question number 3. Pocket money allowance of children of a locality, the mean pocket allowance is rupees 18. Find the missing frequency F. Okay? So, daily pocket is a class interval. Daily pocket allowance. In rupees, you can say. Okay? This is called class interval for us. You have to find the mid value, give it the space. Then you have to go for, you can go for the direct method for here also, because find the missing frequency. Although you can go for step deviations, you will be more confused. So you go for now here. For missing frequency, you can go for direct method. So much easier to solve this way. Okay? So after that you can write here number of children. Okay? Number of children, that is Fi frequencies. Then we have to go for product. This product is Fi into Xi. This is Xi, mid value or class mark, you can say, that is Xi. Clear? Now write the value 11, 13, 11 to 13, then 13 to 15, okay, then 15 to 17, then 17 to 19, then 19 to 21, then 21 to 23, sorry, then 23 to 25. They are given this much. Then what is the frequency they are given? 7, 6, 9, 13, F, that missing frequency, 5, 4. Okay, they are given the mean value, the mean is given here. In these questions, mean is given. Mean is equal to 18. They are given rupees 18. Okay, the mean is given rupees 18. Now look at here. The mid value xi, you add them. 11 plus 13 by 2. How much? Is 424 by 2 is become 12. Then 13 plus 15 by 2. So 28 by 2 is 14. What is the difference? 2, no? Then it will be 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Then you can multiply that also. Okay. So 12 into 7. Okay. Understood? 12 into 7, 84. 14 into 6, how much? 84. Okay. 16 nines are 144. Then 18 into 13. 18 threes are 54, 5 in hand. 18 ones are 18 and 5, 23. Then here 20F. 20 into F, 20F. 22, 5, I think 110. Then 24 into 6, 96. Okay. Now you have to add it. When you add it, these multiplications, sum of the products, sigma Fi into Ui, there you should not add this part because you don't know this value. So you make side that's 120F. Others you add and write here. Like here. If I write sigma Fi, here also you should not write because you don't know the value, plus F, rest add it. How much it will be? 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 9, how much? 21. 21 plus 6, 27. 27 plus 3, 33. 3 in hand, 4, 43. Again, you can check it once before confirm. 13, 13, 26, 4, 35, 40, 44. 44 is coming. 30, 44. It will come 44. Okay, then add this one, add these values. Okay, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 4, 14, 18, 22, 2 in hand. Okay, 11, 12, don't do this one. So 9 and 1, how much you got? 4 plus 6, 10, 14, 18, 22, 2 in hand, 11, 12, 12, 3, 15, 15 and 4, 19, 19, 20, 27, 8, 35, 3 in hand, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 52. Understood? Now, we have to apply the formula. We have to write here mean, direct method, x bar equal to sigma Fi xi. Fi xi here, okay, by sigma Fi. So what is mean value? 18 equal to sigma Fi xi 752 plus 20F by 44 plus F. Is thing by 1, then cross multiplication. 18 into 44 plus F equal to 752 plus 20F. So we multiply 18 fours are how much? 72. 7 in hand. Again 72 and 7. How much? 79 plus 18F equal to 752 plus 20F. This multiplication you can do in the, we are multiplying here also, okay. So we multiply in the rough and right here also. So if you can do directly, because you have to know the 18 table, then only you can able to do. I hope class 10 students should know this. Then bring this side, minus 20F equal to 752 minus 792. This will be minus 2F equal to how much? Minus will come 0, 40, cancel it. So F equal to 40 by 2 is become 20. So this is the answer of missing frequency. So they are asking missing frequency, okay, this one, and we got the answers here, F. So in that way, when they are given you the find the missing frequency you can follow for direct method. It's not like this is the direct method only this, no. You can go step deviation, shortcut method also. Clear? I'll show you short one example of shortcut method. Okay? Is okay now? So question number 6. The table below shows the daily expense of food of household locality. So daily expenses, expenditure, okay? Expenditure. So that one in rupees, obviously, in rupees it is. The value they are given and we have to find the mid value, then it is deviations, then frequencies, then product, okay? So daily expense they are given 100 to 150, okay? Then 150 to 200, 200 to 250, okay? Then 250 to 300, then 300 to 350, clear? Then there are the frequencies they are given. Frequency A5, that is number of households, okay? So the frequency is given 4, then 5, 12, 2, 2. Okay, you have to find the frequencies, mean value. So it's a mid value or class mark also you can write. Class mark is xi, then deviation is di equal to xi minus a, that is assumed mean method, okay? Assumed mean method, or we can say shortcut method, okay? Shortcut method, that also we can say, okay? So now what is the mid value? 100 plus 150 by 2 is 250 by 2 means 2 ones are 2 to 125. So difference h is how much here? What is the difference? We will not record h, but the difference is 50. So if we add 50, 175, then it is add 50, 225, 275, and it is here 325. Then what is a? You choose a here. So it will be how much? Difference is 50. So if it is 0, it will be minus 50. Just look at here. This minus 50. This minus 100. Then it is 50 and is plus 100. Okay? The same method I taught you. Now product. Product is A phi into xi. What is that? Minus 400 minus 250. Then 0 is 100, 200. If I add it, it's 300. Plus, and if I add it, minus how much? 0, 5, 650. Then if we add the products, sigma A phi di here, di. So di, if it is di, how much it will be? Minus 0, 5, 350. Okay. And sigma A phi, how much sigma A phi? Sigma A phi 2 2s are 4, 2 plus 2, 4, 12 plus 4, 16, 20, 25. Okay. Now you go for mean. Mean x bar equal to A plus sigma A phi di by sigma A phi. Note h here, okay. What is A here? 225. What is sigma A phi di? Minus 350, and it is 25. You can cancel. 5 5s are 570. You can cut 5 1, 5 14, 1 and 2 5 4s are 20. Okay. So we'll be getting here, right here, x bar is equal to 225 plus or minus 14. So plus minus minus. So 225 minus 14. How much? 1 1 2 1 1. This is the way you get rupees. So rupees 211. I think 1 1. Is it not? So this is the way you can solve the questions. Clear? So I'll give you some assignment in 14.1. The rest of the questions you can practice. Okay, rest of the question you will practice, otherwise you will forget. Okay, if you not practice all, you will be forgot. Clear? So please practice those questions. Okay, in between I'll come to the next class for median.